So I'm doing this video to save somebody else a little bit of trouble in case you ever get this message and you go to start one of your E2 instances and you get this basically operation failed message with the resource or whatever your resource ID. The service account was not found. If you should happen to encounter this, I'm just going to try to make this easier for you not to have to do the research. I did. It wasn't bad. So I went through a whole bunch of things. I tried Gemini, and Gemini was actually pretty good at giving me some information on it. So, but simply the process was really nice. And so I actually opened up a separate Gemini instance, and I'll show you what it showed me. So it kind of gave me this query right here. So I'll make this big so you can see this. So you can kind of type this out and make this, modify this for you. But basically I needed to go to, and I simply just typed Log Explorer here, went to Log Explorer, and then in the Log Explorer, you can see at the very top here, this is where you can enter your query. This is the query, and I pasted it here. And keep in mind, I didn't see anything, but then I had to go out for 30 days because I thought I deleted this account within a couple of days. I was doing some cleanup, and you thinking like, okay, yeah, I don't think we need these anymore. Not the truth. And so you can see on 6/7. So it's actually been longer than I thought, right, when I deleted these accounts. And so I was able to see the accounts. And the main thing I needed here was the actual account names right here. So here are the actual account names that I needed to restore. So once I kind of entered that, then there's a second command. I'm going to bring Gemini back up for a second. I want to show you this. So it wanted me to open the console. So you need to learn how to open your Cloud Shell console, which is going to be this little button in the top right here. Okay. And so then it told me to enter, and this is the command it wants you to run. So we'll scroll down here. Sorry for all the scrolling here. But anyway, there's the resource ID. Let me go back up a little bit. So gcloud, IAM, service account, undelete right here. And it gave me this, okay? This is what it told me to do. And I tried to do that and I got error messages, okay? So that's not what you want to do. What you actually want to do is you want to get your ID right here. So under this section in the Explorer. So I'm going to go ahead and close Gemini. So when I came in here, I was able to kind of see the ID of accounts. And as you can see down here, I was able to run the commands to restore the account. So gcloud, service account, undelete. And so that actually ran fine. And let's see if we can actually start the instances. So I'm going to duplicate the tab here. All right. And I'm going to go to computing, and I'm going to go to my compute instances, compute engine. All right. And I got my two servers here. I'm going to close this for now. I can get back to that. Going to open up my two VMs here, and I'm going to actually try to start it. And let's see, it's starting. Okay. Looking good so far. You can see at the very bottom here, right? So there's your command right there. Lets me know what's happening. So let's watch this and let's see if the VM actually restarts. No, it didn't. Okay. So still the service account was not found. Okay. All right. So it looks like this is going to be more of an adventure. Okay. So I couldn't restore that service account. So let's go here and let's see where we went wrong. Go to the Log Explorer again. Going to make this bigger. All right, we're going to reconnect here. All right, so I know these two service accounts were deleted. All right, it shows principal email. All right, let's do this one more time. So I restored, undelete was successful for the one ended 77. Let's see if we can restore the one here. So I never ran it on a second. Oh, I did not ever run it on a second account. All right, let's do that. Okay, so that looked like that command was successful for that account. I'm going to go here. I'm going to try to start it again. Okay, there we go. Zoom in on this. Okay, hey, there we go. So the service account instance is back up and running. Success, we have it. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Please drop a like and subscribe. I'm teaching real cybersecurity using the real tools used on the job. And also don't forget, check out the cybersecurity mentorship program. We're teaching you SentinelOne, Tenable, like on here, remediating vulnerabilities, responding to ransomware attacks, the whole nine. Happening here in the cybersecurity mentorship program. So if you're interested, links in the description, hosted on school.com. Thanks for watching.